Why you should raise chickens for eggs rather than buying them from the store, by Dragoyle.com. There are several reasons why you may choose to raise chickens for eggs rather than buying them at the store. Freshly laid eggs have a different taste, texture, and nutritional value than store-bought eggs. They are usually richer, more flavorful, and more nutritious. You can have control over what they eat, which directly affects the quality of the eggs. You can choose to feed your chickens organic or non-GMO feed. They are more environmentally friendly than buying from a large commercial store. You can reduce waste by composting and go green by having less packaging. They're fulfilling a hobby and provide a great source of pride and accomplishment. You can have satisfaction of producing your own food. Raising your own chickens can be more cost-effective in the long run. You can sell surplus eggs to your friends, family, and neighbors. Overall, raising chickens for eggs offer many great benefits that go beyond simply providing fresh eggs. For the rest of the article, go to Dragoyle.com and please share this video. Thank you for watching.